Quick announcement before today's video. Today is the Black Friday weekend, so it's the time of the year where we do the biggest discounts on our custom meal and workout plans and ebooks and that kind of stuff. You can find a link in the description box. It's really worth it. It is the best quality plans out there, custom to your personal needs. So if you're looking for help, choose us. We guarantee results. Anyways, thanks for tuning in and enjoy the video. What's going on, everyone? Jon Venus here. Welcome back to another video. Today, you're catching us on the way to our destination, which is Catherine's village in Norway. We're gonna be spending Christmas in Norway. So what we decided to do to make the trip a little bit shorter is to stay in Oslo for 2 nights at a hotel room. So this is what we're doing right now. You wanna say hi? Shh.
Oh, he's a snake.
Oh, you like your snake? That's Arbok. Arbok. And who's this? Mew. Yes, that's right, Mew. Yeah, I'm brainwashing him to like Pokemon, as you can tell. Anyways, the breakfast buffet closes very soon, so we gotta go. Gotta hurry up because in Norway, everything closes early. So
it's not even that early, it's just we're a bit slow.
Yeah, we're a bit slow. Oh, you okay, buddy? That was a pretty big fall. How did you sleep, Catherine? Catherine probably had the worst night of her life. Sleep-wise, she didn't sleep at all.
The whole last week has been pretty hard.
Cheese, ham, salami. Yeah, that's not for you. No, what are you doing pointing? Ooh, what did you get?
Got some porridge with some marmalade. And then an apple toast with baked beans, potatoes, cooked tomatoes, raw peppers, and raw cucumber.
Alright, so we got some mushrooms, got some potato, just have a little bit, and then the baked beans, a bunch of them. Then a piece of toast, I think. Put that in there. Obviously in the hotels, you got all these, you know, cakes and desserts and stuff. Obviously not the most nutritionally dense food. Alright guys, so as a dessert, I'm gonna have some granola and fruits. I'm just gonna pour that in here. Right, so they definitely have a lot of nuts and seeds, which is great. Great source of nutrition. And have some pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, a little bit of raisins for those antioxidants. And now we're heading out to the city. We're gonna go to Oslo. You ready to experience some serious cold, Noah? Huh?
Oh yeah, it's gonna be freezing.
I actually really like this hotel. It's nice, huh?
It's really nice, yeah. Only bad thing, the bed is too soft.
Oh yeah, that is a thing. Yeah. Another reason why Catherine didn't sleep at all last night, because the bed it's like sleeping on marshmallows or something. It's super soft.
Especially like 3 people in one bed as well, and then the bed is like super soft.
Yeah, the funny thing is that we, by mistake, we bought the hardest, like I'm talking the hardest, rock hardest bed on the planet. In our house, so what we sleep on is super hard.
So now I've gotten used to sleeping on a harder mattress, and then now this was super soft, so also weird. I do prefer like something in between.
Yeah.
But yeah, this was too soft, and then the pillow wasn't comfortable either, so.
No, that's true.
But other than that, I really like it.
Noah's completely fascinated by all the snow.
Yeah,
it's snow. Snow. Wow. Alright, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Cross. Oh my god. Check this out, guys. We're by Burger King right now, and the coolest thing is that they just came out with the Rebel Whopper, and they're advertising it everywhere in Europe, like in Spain as well. So that's really cool. It's like a plant-based. I'm not sure if it's the Beyond Burger or what it is.
Look, they have like different veggie options. They have one halloumi veg and one veggie king.
Wow, Noah, check it out. It's an airplane. Wow, check that out. There's seats, and all the way at the front, there's like a steering wheel. You wanna go there? Yeah, let's go fly. You're a pilot? Yeah. Oh, God. Careful, ow. Man, getting off at this station just brings back so many memories. We used to live here in Oslo, and I used to take this train to this station every single day to get to school. And this is the one thing I'm not a big fan of. The weather here in Oslo and in Norway in general is always super cold in winter. It's not too cold here. In Oslo, usually it could be like way colder, snow everywhere, but now it's just raining and it's wet. Oslo is pretty cool though. It's the one place in Norway, the only place in Norway where things happen. Alright guys, something crazy just happened. Catherine just found out that there is a vegan bakery in here, and they have these baked goods that I haven't had since I went vegan, so I'm super excited right now. They have this amazing cinnamon bun. They have this, what's it called? Sunshine bun?
Yeah, I think so. Something like that.
Yeah, and this is the one that I'm super excited about because I have not had that as a vegan. So this used to be one of my favorite baked goods ever, and it's very Norwegian. Ready for some baked goods, Noah? Yeah, look, that's some coconut. Check this out, guys. This is looking amazing. Has he had a piece?
He's had a little
Oh man.
piece. Noah's first ever cinnamon bun.
Moment of truth, Catherine.
Okay.
Good?
Oh, you don't like the sunshine bun?
Okay, more for me, Noah. Oh, let me try. I'm so excited right now. Check this out. Good, right?
Amazing.
So good.
Wow.
Exactly how I remember it.
I missed it.
Actually, even better. So good. So this is like a vanilla cream in the middle, some coconut and sugar coating on the outside. Such a good combo. You get a smoothie if you want. Really want to try the cinnamon bun right now.
Oh, that's one of your favorites, isn't it? Cinnamon bun?
It is my favorite baked good, but after trying the other thing, comes really close.
I'm actually really happy that Noah didn't like any of this. Like, usually he doesn't prefer like the sweet stuff. He likes the savory stuff, like the veggies and stuff. And he's drinking his smoothie instead, so it's a good thing.
1 hour later.
Right, guys, so we're pretty much done at the shopping center. I got a hat and a new jacket as well. So excited to try this out at the cold weather outside. We're gonna go for a little walk and get some fresh air because we haven't really been outside yet. It's very, very decorated here for Christmas, which is amazing. Really get the Christmas spirit going here in Norway, so really appreciate that. Kind of similar to the States. A lot of people take Christmas very, very seriously here in Norway. I mean, just check out the decorations and how nice everything looks here. Are you enjoying the cold?
He's so chill.
Yeah.
He likes it, actually.
Yeah, it's just chilling.
He's super fascinated by the snow.
Look, there's a skating rink and a huge, whatever that is, a London Eye. Oh, let's see if he's skeptical or not. No, not this time. Bye-bye. Next year, maybe. Next year. Catherine, what's going on right now?
Wow, it's actually a bit scary.
It is scary, yeah.
Wow, it's moving though.
I know, it's like
Bro,
we're just...
This is like the London Eye, but look, it's super slow.
This is like a sketchy version of London Eye. It's like a tiny thing. We're like super high up. Oh my god. What do you think of the views?
Do you like all the lights?
We finally met up with my brother Andre. What's up? So Andre moved here about 4 months ago, I'd say, to start university or college. How are you enjoying college life?
It's good, definitely. Being independent is amazing. But I miss this amazing idol over here.
Idol. You see that, guys? That's how good of a brother I am. My own brother calls me an idol. Thanks, bro. I'll give you some money later, okay?
Yes.
Alright, guys, we finally got to the restaurant that we're gonna be eating at today. Super excited. This is one of our favorite spots here in Oslo. It's called Funky Fresh Foods. Real food and fair living, whatever that means. Today is actually Thanksgiving, so we kind of had to go with the Christmas plate. Yeah, exactly. It's gonna be a Thanksgiving dinner today. It's gonna be amazing.
So I'm not sure if I'm gonna have the brunch or the plate.
Mew? Yeah, Mew's not here. But you know what's here? Our Christmas plate. This looks like a very nice traditional Norwegian Christmas dinner, but veganized. Right, so we basically all got the Christmas plate. Michael, by the way, is here as well.
Hello.
Sarah's boyfriend, and he's got the Christmas plate. Andrew's got the Christmas plate. Catherine's got the Christmas plate. Noah's just looking for some attention. What do you want? Mew's not here, man. He's obsessed with Mew. But yeah, I'm super excited to give this a try. Very flavorful. And this pickled red cabbage is really typical Norwegian for Christmas. It's also one of my favorite Christmas dishes. Amazing. What do you think, Catherine?
So good.
1 eternity later.
Alright guys, we're back at the hotel room. The dinner was amazing. This day was amazing, to be honest. Everything went super well. What are you doing right there? Huh? Oh my god, oh my god. You got it, you got it. So right now Noah's about to go to sleep. Catherine's naked, so I can't film her. You want to show your shoes to the fam? Your Vivo shoes. Bam, bam. Throw them away. There you go. Yep, that's what you. Yep. He did not learn that from me. He learned that from his mom. Yeah, Catherine's under the blanket, so it's now safe. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we will see you very soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. Anyways, thank you, and see you soon.
Bye.
Peace out.